Padamlagan, and I hope you found something in it that resonates with your life. It has been an amazing experience for
Ellie Buendia in the house for Padamlagan.
At ano pong mga pananaliksik ang ginawa nyo upang gampanan ng makatotohanan yung istorya ng mga biktima ng nakaraan? Ayun lamang po.
Maraming salamat.
He wanted to try as an artist. So, yun, binasa niya yung script and then he said yes. Yun. Tapos, yun. At sila kasi magagaling na aktor to. Mga first choice.
Siyempre, as a woman, unfortunately, I think everyone can relate now. We've experienced some sort of level of sexual harassment in our lives already. Unfortunately.
Maraming mga factors. It came about when I was, yung nagpagkwentuhan ako sa wife ko. And she was telling me this incident that happened in the office na may tatanggal sa trabaho.
Antonio ko. Ako na mapasama talaga dito sa proyektong ito. At maraming salamat. At ako po, ang kasama ko sa kabilang sinehan si Miss Jean Garcia na
si Deron Villanueva. Kaya buksan ka producer John Del. Gusto naman amoy kan. Direk Arvin Bellarmino.
Arvin.
Naman si Direk.
Short film finalist.
Filmmakers. I take this opportunity to thank to be here. Truly, it's an honor for me.
Nasulok ng tulungan at tampo. Lalaban at lalaban upang mabuhay. Katuwang ang init, tubig at lupang kinakapitan. Yayabong kami kahit sa pinakamahihirap na kalagayan.